In this guide, I'll show you how to fix joystick stick drift on your Steam Deck by adjusting the Deadzone settings. So the first thing you want to do is press the Steam button, and we're going to scroll down and go to Settings. Now in Settings, go down to Controller, and you want to scroll over and scroll down, and we're going to go to Calibration and Advanced Settings. Now once you're here, you'll see joysticks in the top left corner. So we're going to scroll over to the right, and let's first adjust the left joystick. So scroll down to this section and you'll see the option to press Y to test the joystick dead zones. So when you press Y and you move your left joystick, you'll see this white little icon moving. So if this little white icon is outside of that blue circle on the inside and it's red, that means it's receiving an input even though you may not be pressing on the joystick at all. So what I recommend you do if you see that is to press A to adjust the slider at the bottom, and you want to make the left joystick dead zone larger so that even if the white icon is out further from the center, you're still not going to move and there'll be no input. Then head on over to your right joystick where you can do the exact same thing by adjusting the dead zone. So once you're happy with the dead zone settings, you can press B to save it, and now you'll no longer experience stick drift on your joysticks. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.